My name is Russ Marsan, and I'm one of the co-owners here at Carpenter Costin. The last 10 years, a real focus for the company has been to continue to grow the maintenance part of it. A year-round service package that would include a variety of services depending on the person's tastes or needs if it was a residential or commercial property. But some of those things might be a spring cleanup, mowing services, fertilization programs, mulching, structural pruning, fall cleanups, and then into the winter would be plowing, shoveling walkways, doing roof raking, get the snow off the roof so you're not getting ice buildup, and obviously salting and sanding services, along with bringing in the big equipment to move the piles of snow after the big storms. In the commercial aspect of it, or institutional healthcare, it's the speed and efficiency that we are able to offer, and again, the depth of the company itself. You know, if you have a large facility and when you're rolling out 60 pieces of equipment in a snowstorm and something happens with 59 pieces can really overcome one challenge. And again, with having newer equipment, the breakdowns are pretty minimal. And we are very fortunate to have a full-time mechanic on staff, so any of those quick repairs that need to be made, we can just call Mike and he'll come take care of them. It's definitely a family environment, team environment. Everybody's looking out for each other and helping each other out, achieving goals personally, professionally, business-wise. That's a great feeling just to know that you have a solid team around you. If you're looking for quality service at a fair price with attention to detail and personal attention, if you need a company that you can rely on like a hospital does, or the National Guard, the ambulance service, or the local power company, if they all can rely on us, so can you. If you're a large commercial business or institution, we have the depth and the capability to handle anything that you can throw at us, whether it's a snowstorm or a hot summer day or a rainy spring day. We have the ability to get it done.